Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw this coin character on the Cuphead map. Now, I don't know what his name is, and if you do, please let me know in the comments below. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin, we gotta draw his face first. Well, his whole body actually. So it's just gonna be one big circle. So just try to draw a circle as best as you can. Mine will be a little bit messy, even though I'm tracing this. Okay, so just one big circle, and then we gotta draw his eyes. So right near the middle, we gotta draw his mean brow. So just draw like two curves like that. Okay, and then from here, we gotta draw his little eyebrow. So we gotta make it a little bit thicker on the end. So from the middle, we gotta fan out, just gonna curve it back. Okay, and then let me shade it in so we can see the eyebrow a little bit better. Okay, and then from there, right underneath the eyebrow, just draw two little curves this way. So this is actually gonna be his cheekbone. And also at the bottom of his eye. So from there, now we're just gonna connect these two to draw his eyeball. Okay, and then to finish it off, I'm gonna, again, line, angle, curve, and then angle. So he's looking this way. So let me shade this in so we can see it a little bit better. Alright, so that's basically his eye, and he's kind of very mean and looking this side. And right underneath here, we're gonna draw his nose, so it's gonna be really simple, one little curve like that. And then for his mouth, it's just gonna be one mean face, right? So it's just gonna be one curve going down. And then now we're gonna draw the corner of his mouth, just gonna draw a little curve around it so it gives his frown a little bit meaner looking. Okay, so then from there, now we're gonna draw his arm. So we're gonna start off this side, gonna draw a curve like this, and then now we're gonna extend it outward. And then we're gonna close it off. And now for his glove, bracket, and then close it off. And then we're gonna have him kind of a closed fist. So that's gonna be his thumb. And then we're gonna draw 1, 2, and then the third one, we're just gonna go all the way back up to the glove. So now for the three little lines. All right, so once we have this, now we're gonna give the coin some dimension to it, right? So we don't want it just flat. So from here, I just want you to draw one curve. It's almost gonna be the same as that curve. Okay, so just draw a curve like this. And now we're gonna connect it as it gets toward the bottom. So we just kind of flatten it out and have it hit the original circle. Okay, so that gives it some dimensions to it. And then now we're gonna draw some lines or some. Okay, for the edges of the coin. So that's pretty much it for his head and body. And now we're gonna draw the other arm. So on this arm, he's holding a bag of money. Okay, so we're gonna just curve it out, close it. And then again, bracket, close. And then now for his thumb right here. And then his three fingers. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the bag itself. So this is gonna be the top. So we're gonna draw two curves coming out. And we're gonna draw a little bit of waviness to it. And then on the back, same thing. And now we're gonna draw some lines right here as the bag is being crunched. Okay, and then right here, we're gonna draw the bottom of the bag. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the big dollar sign. And then here we just kind of close it off so it looks like his palm. All right, so now to draw his legs, which is gonna be super easy. So it's basically just kind of like just two lines, a little bit sharp at the end, and I'll just close that off because his foot's gonna be here, and it's just gonna be really simple. And that's it for this coin guy in Cuphead. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.